Hey friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead with another quick kitchen tip. Now, when we were away, Nancy looked after the house and she cleaned it, and she couldn't find any the plate covers under your burners, the aluminum plate covers. So she covered them with tin foil. Well, my new stove doesn't look nice clad in tin foil, but I have a solution. Now, these little plate covers, you get like 10 of them for $1.50 or something at the dollar store. But I only had little ones in the cupboard. And Nancy covered my plate burner, or my burner plate, with foil. And while I appreciate it, it's a pain in the butt and it's ugly. But what I do have in my pantry is some pie plates. So all I'm going to do is set that there, take one of these smaller ones and mark off that hole there that we want to cut out. It's not a very good marker. And then in the center like that. Okay, so you can't see the lines very well. And now I'm just going to cut this out like that. And Bob's your uncle. We now have a burner protector. And now we're just going to trim off. This is actually pretty good for your scissors too. Now we have a burner plate cover that's just a little tidier than tin foil. It is cheaper to buy these, but if you don't have them and you do have an aluminum foil plate, you can make them.